Hello, everybody. Hey, I wanted to do a quick update on the pineapple eye floater thing I've been doing, and sorry I haven't gotten these updates out any quicker. I'm on vacation right now. We're up in Missouri, Missouri, depends on how you want to say it. But I wanted to give you an update on the eye floaters, and I'm still doing the pineapple. I don't do it every day. I tried the V8 for a little while. For those of you that have been keeping up with this, that did absolutely nothing. I didn't see any change from that at all. I added some salmon fillets to my diet, so I would eat a 6-inch salmon fillet every day, and that actually seemed like it was showing some improvement. However, I don't know about the mercury content. You know, you hear about stuff like that, and with ingesting that much salmon every day, I kind of felt like that was maybe too much. But I did feel like I was seeing some improvement. My eye floaters themselves are practically gone, are the ones that I have are so thin and spread out that they don't bother me at all anymore. What I do have, though, I still have that mucusy stuff inside my eyeball. Now, I'm sure I could probably go somewhere to an ophthalmologist and have them vacuum my eyeball out, filter it, refill it, whatever it is that they do. But I really would rather try the natural way first. I'm not having any vision problems per se as far as seeing what's going on. I mean, I see the car coming at us. But, you know, the only thing that I really have any issues with anymore, it's still trying to focus on things like if I'm reading something, occasionally that little mucus blob gets in front of my vision. It seems to be better sometimes than others. It seems to be better first thing in the morning. So I'm going to still go ahead and try to do the natural thing for a little while and then kind of go from there. So if anybody has any suggestions on supplements or just different foods for me to try on this, I'm willing to give it a shot. So and I have to apologize, I'm in an F-350 pulling an RV, so it may be a little noisy in here. Anyway, I appreciate everybody, and if you're a subscriber or not, doesn't make any difference. Throw a comment or a question down there, and I will get to everybody as quick as I can. And I appreciate everybody that's been sticking with me on this. I'm going to try to get more frequent updates in here and keep everybody up to speed on what's going on. So appreciate everybody, and catch you guys down the road.